Hey, Brandon, everybody, it's Brandon from Fantastic's Chair back with another video, doing some highlights on some natural hair. So to get this process started, I'm going to make sure I detangle my client's hair. She had it in some plaits. She let it air dry in plaits, but I wanted to make sure it was detangled as much as I can so that there won't be any like wrinkles or anything once I start the highlighting process. So I'm using my weaving comb to get this section started. I'll have her hair in 4 sections, and the highlighting that I'm going to be doing is going to be in the back area of her hair. I'm also going to be doing diagonal backs using a technique I learned at the premiere show. So with this first section, I'm going to do all my partings are going to be about 1/8 of an inch, and with this first section, I'm going to do something like a balayage. So I'm going to saturate that lightener in the center, the bottom mid shaft to end center, and then kind of lift it up on the sides to create a slight highlight. So I'm going to leave my next section out and then start on the next section, which I'll be highlighting, and I'll be doing a large weave. And with this large weave, I'm going to be trying to almost highlight each curl. That way when she wears her hair in a natural state, because she does that at some points, that the highlights will be on like a singular curl. So that's what I'm doing with the weaving. Then I'm also going to take that weaving comb and do a slight back comb just to diffuse the roots. I don't want there to be a harsh line of demarcation at the roots, so I did a slight back comb, not anything too crazy at all. And again, you want to make sure that you really saturate the hair. I've experienced in not having the hair saturated thoroughly, and you can have little spots and little, it's terrible. Make sure you saturate the hair as well as you can. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Thank ya. So I'm going to keep doing that same process just all the way up this section, and then do the exact same thing on the other side, doing the diagonal backs and following the same pattern that I have on this side. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I greatly appreciate it, and it's free. Come on, subscribe for me, baby. So I've already silk pressed her and gave her a trim. She needed it. And I'm just going to add a slight bevel to the ends of her hair just to add a little bit of pizzazz to the style. But this is pretty much the result. y'all, get into this color. It came out really good. I love the results. My client loves the results as well. And it hit real hard outside. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Peace.